TinkerCAD tip. Let's talk more about the ruler tool. In my prior video, I showed how we can take our ruler tool, put it out on the work plane here, and once we have that, any object we select on will automatically have all of its dimensions shown and be shown until you select away or select on a different object. To dismiss the ruler tool, we merely need to hover over this dismiss ruler, the little X here, and click on it, and then the ruler will go away. The ruler can also be very helpful in positioning objects. For instance, let's bring our ruler in, and let's bring it down near the corner of this rectangle. Select on the rectangle. Now we're shown all of the information about this rectangle, that it's 50 by 60, it's 10 millimeters high. This 0 indicates that it's sitting flat on the work plane. Now down here we have two additional pieces of information. Right now this rectangle happens to be 1 millimeter to the right of the corner of our ruler and 1.5 millimeters above. And as we move the rectangle, you can see those dimensions changing. We could even use these to move these into this position, this corner position of the ruler. We can change this to 0, or this to 0, or perhaps we wanted to move an object a set number of millimeters to the left or right. For instance, let's say we want to move the rectangle to the right 15 millimeters. You can simply click there, type in 15, and now it's 15 millimeters more to the right. This same ruler can also be used to help position objects within one another. For instance, this cylinder. Now that we've brought the cylinder in, let's bring it down a bit. See here, this is its distance off the work plane. It also shows us that this cylinder is 6 millimeters to the right of our corner and 1 millimeter above it. So this could be used along with our cursor keys to set an object within a number at the right distance. If you go past this center line, then the numbers begin to go negative, as you'll see here. And that represents the distance from this corner to this outside edge of this cylinder. In my next video, I'm going to discuss more about the ruler tool. Hopefully you guys are all finding the ruler tool useful. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. I'd love to help answer them.